Nag-tour kayo? Nag-tour?
Yes.
What did you see there?
Alright, so how's your tour, kids? How's your tour?
How's your tour?
So you want to be here for the longest time. So you want to work here na. Okay, so that's the glimpse of your the task that you're going to do tomorrow and the rest of the week. So tomorrow you're going to assign sa ating beverages station and then yung sa desserts station, okay? So, and then something lang na ano no na pwede natin